Hello and welcome to Something to Drink. Today we will make some melon juice, or maybe melon drop juice. What we need is a melon, of course, and a glass, cloth bag, and a plastic bag, maybe a scissor and another plastic bag. We start by putting the melon in the cloth bag. No, I forgot. Very important part. The balcony. Yes, and what we do is we put the melon, this is a watermelon, in the cloth bag. And we put it in the plastic bag. We put this in the second plastic bag. Now we go upstairs to the balcony. Okay, the plastic bag is broken, but yeah! Yes, this is how you make juice. Real nice, cold and fresh. Bye bye, see you. I need something to drink. I need something.